Welcome to the Tikit demo series. In today's presentation, we're going to highlight and work through how an agent can work in the web experience for Tikit. In today's presentation, we're going to work from Diego's perspective. He is the agent in my business and he'll be receiving requests from the business. And you'll see here when he lands in the Tikit agent portal, which is our web experience, Diego's presented a couple of different things that he can do with managing the tickets. By default, he's shown a list of all active tickets, but he can also create a new ticket here. So let's say that Adele's called in and we're tapping on the shoulder and let me know that her computer is running slow. I can choose Adele as a requester here. The status is active. I can choose whether or not this is an incident or a service request or a change. In this example, it's going to be an incident. Priorities, medium, teams, IT. I'm going to route this over to the service desk group. All that looks good, so I'll go ahead and create that ticket in the system here. Now, Diego also has the ability to change the view and the lens of this data. So if I want to see all tickets assigned to me, I can easily drop over to the My Work view. I can also look at all tickets that are unassigned here pretty easily. I also can create my own custom views. So let's say that I want to take a look at all the change management tickets in the system, or I want to look at all the outages that have been reported, or I want to look at all the marketing tickets. I have the ability to quickly filter and bounce around in the system here. I also have the ability to further filter any lists that I'm looking at. So let's say I'm in the marketing area and I just want to look at the tickets that are assigned to IT and facilities, those respective teams. I can do that pretty easily here. I also can change the perspective of this list here. I can go into the ticket board and be presented swim lanes, kind of like a Kanban board experience. By default, I get status swim lanes. I can change those swim lanes to different swim lanes like priority or category, but this also makes it interactive. So if, go back here. I can change things between the statuses here. So this ticket is now resolved, and this ticket is now pending, and this ticket is now active. So it makes it an interactive experience and presents it as kind of card style experience here. At any point when I want to work on a ticket, I can select that ticket. So we'll go take a look at, go back to my ticket list and let's go look at a more recent ticket here. Clear this out, go back to the active tickets. I'll go to ticket 1517, the one I just created. And you'll see here that I have the ability to now take a look at that ticket and review that ticket and modify that ticket. So here's a preview of the data of that ticket, the category, the group assignment, things of that nature. I can send a message to Adele. This will send a message to Adele in Teams and can send it to her in email. We've got a ticket and we're working on it. I also can modify any of the properties of this ticket. So if I wanted to change this to the pending status, I could easily do that. If I want to assign that to myself, I can click on take here and it will assign it directly to Diego. I can add attachments, I can add ad hoc approvals, ad hoc tasks, things of that nature. Now I also have the ability to look at tickets that have life cycles associated with them. So this is the basic ticket. If I come over here and I take a look at a new hire process, you'll see that this ticket has multiple phases on it. There's 3 phases here: an approval phase, a provisioning phase, and a hard provisioning phase. And we'll deep dive on life cycles in another presentation, but I wanted to show the difference between a regular ticket and a life cycle ticket. And the last thing here in the context of just kind of navigating the day-to-day workflow of ticket management as an agent, we have 2 views here on the left-hand side. We have My Work and My Group Work. And My Work is a place where Diego can go and see all of the tickets, tasks, and approvals assigned directly to him. And you can kind of filter through those. Say, I just want to see all the tickets assigned to me, the tasks or approvals, and then you can go action those. My Group Work is just a little bit of an elevated lens. So My Group is all tickets that are assigned to me and my associated support group, and then all tasks and approvals assigned to me. And why is this important? Well, this gives the ability for Diego to see tickets that are assigned to his associated support group, such as IT and service desk, but not assigned to anyone yet. And that's relevant because being on the service desk or desktop team, maybe you want to go pick up one of those tickets and assign them to yourself so you can go work on them. This view gives you total visibility across all your accountable tickets, tasks, and approvals in a single pane of glass here. So again, to recap, in today's presentation, what we wanted to highlight and work through was how an agent can work through creating and editing and viewing data in the ticket agent portal. So we've created a ticket, we modified the views, we've done some filtering, we edited the ticket, things of that nature. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. And if you have any other questions, please email team@tikit.ai. Thank you.